If you love ribs but do not eat pork, then this oven-baked honey barbecue beef ribs is just for you. We're talking about fall off the bone, tender, absolutely delicious. Not to mention, it is seasoned to perfection using bold Jamaican and Caribbean spices. So the first thing we did was create a base for the ribs with mushroom sauce and oil. And we made a delicious dry blend that is absolutely chef's kiss. Everything we use will definitely be listed in the description bar below. So after you've seasoned your beef on both sides, you're going to pop them into a baking tray. Look how beautiful that looks. I had to pause. But anyways, pop it into a baking tray and let that bake. The full recipe and exact measurements will be listed in the description bar below. After you've baked it, you make a nice, delicious, sweet, and sticky sauce that will have everyone coming back for more. They will be asking, who made the ribs? So if you're looking for a delicious ribs recipe that is not pork, that is smoky, sweet, and spicy, this is definitely the recipe for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next recipe.